Open a drawing. Create a new price list. Create your items and insert tariff, description, unit of measurement and unit rate. Or open a reference price book. Search for an item to associate. Drag the item into the measurements editor. Select the entities to associate to the measurement and confirm. Define what you are measuring and how to account for the entity. Insert variables and known measurements. Or use the measurement models archive. If necessary, you can create a user variable. Specify if the measurement is a subtraction. Click Finish.